Hey guys, welcome back here. This is going to be part 4 of my 1950 Chevrolet cab-over engine truck, COE, model 5400. Last time I showed you stuff, we got it running. This time now I've got the doghouse cover on, covers the engine, allows me to have the transmission hooked up. And here in a little bit, I'm going to show you it driving out of the shop and then backing back in. First time moving in probably over 10 years. First time that I have actually driven this thing. Engine was stuck when I got it, so we've made a lot of progress. So stay watching, see it moving, and maybe include some bloopers at the end.